Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm doing the Coxys Pixar Speedscapes challenge, which was set a 1 minute timer and escape from the cuffs and put them back on as many times as you can in 1 minute. As far as I'm aware, Coxys Pixar is the fastest person to do this, done this the most times so far, and his amount was 6 in a minute. So it's 6 to beat. So he used an Echo. An Amazon thing too, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what that is. That's an Amazon Echo Dot.
Oh, yeah, but don't we have to call it Alexa?
You can make it, you can change it to answer to whatever you want it to answer to.
You can tell I'm good with technology, can't you? Alexa, give me a 1 minute timer, please.
1 minute, starting now.
One. Listen again. Two. Oh, my hands are too slippy. 3.
What talk about them for your hands?
4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
10. Just.
That's 8 of them done.
Thanks, Alexa.
I probably could have get.
Stop.
Alexa, shut up.
Oh, puppy's like, what? What's happening?
There we go. That's that one beat. And there was nothing said about having to take them completely off, so I'm calling that legit.
Doo-doo-doo. Little tiny pumpkin.
Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Y-Wrench does everything. Absolutely everything is fixed by a Y-Wrench.
Oh my goodness.
That is, we have like an hour and 6 minutes worth of footage now.